Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going over my personal ride. It is a Q50S hybrid and it's been having some problems. Let me show you. Alright, so y'all, the main problem is down here. As you all know, I've got a still in SwayBar. And we've got that problem. So the factory link failed and broke, snapped off, and the factory link's super weak. So what I'm gonna do today is swap them out. All right. Take the top link out. So this is what I decided to go with. They're about $100 for the pair, and they're greasable.
Somebody's gonna want you to put your. You have to put all that into your other can. You're gonna get denied, boy.
No, I'm not.
You got that white styrofoam. They don't take that.
What the hell are you talking about? They can take my trash. You know my trash ain't good enough for the city?
Take that white styrofoam, boy.
And Dad's yelling at me because my recyclables, I've got styrofoam in there. He may be right though. He's got a point. He's just visiting me today while I get this going, so. You hear him? Hear him back there? So, let me get this bad boy open. Alright, so there we go. Here we go. This is, as you can see, built a lot differently than the OEM one. Okay, so the little Zyrtec fitting, brass fitting screws in right there on each end, and as you can see, these are way different than factory. Look a lot more sturdy. So I'm going to take out the factory link right now and we'll compare it before we get these new ones on. You know, my dad. So we're looking at these like wussy, cheap bunk links. I mean, look at that. We got the ball joint type end on these ones. And this one is where it's sheared right off. Yeah, see, look at that. Way better. Zerk fitting's gonna go in there. And these ones busted right off. These are, they feel like they weigh just a few ounces. So I'm not surprised it broke and sheared off, especially with a heavier SwayBar setup. So let's get those fittings in here and we'll get ready to mount everything up. So something to keep in mind here is the orientation of the links. If you don't have the part numbers, the longer side goes on top, shorter side goes on bottom, and you'll see when you lay them down that the driver's side, you know, is pointing that way. As you can see, here's the top. So just line them up correct. All right, to get the Zerk fittings in, little baby 7mm wrench ought to do the trick. It's gonna do the honors here. Kind of just get it snug on there just a little bit. There you go. That's it. And then do the other side. There it is. So then got our trusty grease gun. Give that a couple pumps. Is that it? Yeah. On each side. 3 pumps? Is that what you're saying?
3 pumps.
All right. Cool. All right, getting the new fitting up there. All right, moving this into place here. Let's see if you guys can see. All right, doing the passenger side. Sorry if my LED light's bothering you guys. It's got some waves in it when I see it on the camera screen. Not sure that's going to come out on film or how that's going to look. Oop, better turn that this way. Alright, and now, let's see if they kept a factory size. No. Factory was a 14, so it feels like this one's going to be a 15, so hold on just a second. Alright, so it is a 15mm, so it's not the factory size anymore. All right, so now it's a 19 on the backside instead of a 17 and a 15 on the front. So be prepared for that. All right, so I've got it mounted up. Looks good. What we're gonna do now is grease up the bushings on the SwayBar because it's been a while. Let's see if we can get it under there. All right. Ready? Yeah. Whoa. Oop. Came out for sure. It's coming out, peeking on this side, so we're looking good, y'all. See it?
You did?
Yeah. Gonna do the passenger side. All right, get pumped up. Be plenty. Oh yeah. Perfect. All greased up. Bottom one's on. Everything's greased up. Torqued up. So hopefully I don't have any more issues with this SwayBar. If I break these links, I'm going to end up moving to something a little more stiff. I don't know, white line or whatever they make for the Q50. Something stiffer. But these ones for the money, I think will be worth it compared to factory. Just going to film me pull the car off the ramps. Thanks, Dad.
Bet. See if it'll roll. Or not.
Easy. It's done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this content with us today. Thank you so much for joining today again, YouTube. I've got a lot more content coming out on the Q50 and a bunch of Subaru stuff lined up, so please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, that way you get notified when I have new videos coming out, and like this video. I've got a lot more content coming up again, guys, so please stick around, hit me up on Instagram, and have yourselves a great week. I'll see you then. Peace out.